Hey guys, Miss Acton is gone today, so I'm going to give you a quick some information about our plan for distance learners for Tuesday. Let's see, this is Tuesday, September 29th. And so Miss Acton has pushed out a document in Google Classroom under the Week 3 topic. The document is called Week 3, September 28, 29. The first thing to do is the bell ringer. And so you can flip over your composition notebook and follow your normal steps there. A link to the specific bell ringer question is in your document. After that, there are two labs I'm going to take you through. We're going to be learning about observations today. And so the first lab is called the Confection Connection. And so you need this document from your science journal to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to find a piece of wrapped food, whether that's a granola bar or a piece of candy or something like that. And I want you to use your five senses to make observations about that thing, right? And so these are going to be qualitative observations. And so it's talking about qualitative observations. Sounds like the word quality. It's one type of observation you're going to be making in science class. And so qualitative observations, like about my coffee cup, would be things like things I can say that would kind of describe my coffee cup, the quality of my coffee cup. So I might say it's smooth, it's heavy, it's shiny, it's almost a cylinder shape, right? And those would be qualitative observations. And so you're going to go through your five senses on this document. I would like you to use the phrasing from the question in your answer. And so when it asks you to describe what you feel in the question, in your answer, you're going to say, I feel, and then give me a complete sentence with at least 3 descriptions. If you need some words, there's a word bank on the back of the document that might help. It might help you come up with the right descriptive words. The second, and then at the end on this one, I'd like you to take all the information from the top half of the page and try to synthesize it in one paragraph. So try to mash it all together and make one paragraph at the end. Your second lab is the penny observation lab. What you're going to do is you're going to find a penny. Well, I should say first, what you're going to do, power just went out a little bit. First, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a penny from memory without looking at it first. So the best you can come up with from what you remember about what a penny looks like. Then the second round is you can look at a penny for 1 minute and then put it away and then draw it from memory. And the third round is you can draw the penny while looking at it. And so you should see a progression of more specific observations towards the end. On the back page, try to come up with 10 complete sentences that are quantitative. Okay, and so quantitative observations are specific numbers, they're objective. And so some quantitative observations about my coffee cup are that it weighs 1.2 pounds and it is 8 inches tall and it holds 12 ounces of liquid inside, right? And so when you write your complete sentences on the back, a good way to know if it's a quantitative observation is to find the number in what you're saying, right? And so one thing you can do with your complete sentences is to circle the number, and that will help you know that you've made a quantitative observation. Okay, so those are your 2 labs. The third piece is a video on inferences and observations from Miss Ecton. You can watch that, and then there's specific directions in the document of how she'd like you to respond to that. I hope that gives you what you need for today. Have a great day. Go Bears.